In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and manage the list of your Asana members. If you're looking to get a better handle on who's part of your Asana workspace or organization, you've come to the right place. We'll start by accessing the admin console, where you can view all the details about your members, make changes, and understand their roles. So, let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Asana dashboard and take a look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture there. Give it a click, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on the option labeled Admin Console. This console is your central hub for managing various administrative tasks related to your Asana organization or workspace, and it's where you'll find all the information you need about your members. Once you're in the Admin Console, you'll want to focus on the Members section. You can find this section easily, usually labeled as Members or something similar, depending on your interface. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a detailed list of all the members within your organization or workspace. This list is incredibly useful as it gives you a comprehensive view of everyone who is currently part of your team. Now, as you look through the list, you might notice that there are several actions you can perform here. If you need to add new members to your workspace, there's an option to do just that. Simply follow the prompts to invite people, ensuring they have access to the right projects and tasks. On the flip side, if there are any members you need to remove, perhaps for security reasons or to keep your workspace organized, there's an option to kick them from your Asana workspace. Additionally, you have the ability to change permissions for each member. This is particularly handy when people in your organization have different roles or access needs. For instance, you might want to elevate someone's permissions to allow them to adjust project timelines or restrict another member's access to sensitive information. It's all about ensuring that your workspace aligns with your team's specific needs. Another helpful feature in the Members section is the ability to view the last activity of each member. This data point can provide you with insightful context about engagement and contribution levels, which can be crucial for monitoring productivity or reallocating resources effectively. Furthermore, you can see who invited each member to the organization, giving you a clear understanding of the chain of invites. And there you have it. That's all it takes. Managing your Asana members and understanding their roles within your organization is just a few clicks away. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to take full advantage of Asana's membership management capabilities for a more organized and effective workspace.